What's up? And it's probably spelled backwards. Y'all might seeing it backwards on the video. What's going on? Chalkboards for a reason, and y'all will see why soon. As I'm scrolling through Instagram, y'all, I'm just scrolling. I'm scrolling. I got caught by an image, and I thought this was really cool. I liked it. It was sexy, elegant. So I decided, let me throw my own spin to it. So the model for this concept is Victoria. Instagram right here. Now, Victoria is an amazing model. Y'all have to check her out on Instagram. If y'all have not followed her, please do. She's an amazing model. She takes my creative ideas and she takes them to the next level. So the model for this shoot is Victoria, y'all. So the cameras I used was my A7R III and my A7R IV. The lenses I used was my Tamron 28-75 and my Sony 85mm prime. For lighting, what I did was I shot flat light. So I shot with a lantern softbox, and just to feel the light, I just kind of went with a soft light feel, and I just wanted to get even light into the whole shoot. So now that I done talked about the amazing model, I done talked about the cameras that I use and my lens choice, the lighting that I use and my idea of why I use the lighting, let's get into the behind the scenes. All right, class, so today we're gonna talk about things to do if you want to see more content, right? If you want to see more content, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified of more of my content. Check out my other videos, y'all. Y'all definitely will enjoy more behind the scenes in some of my vlogs. So do so. So with that being said, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.